Welcome to a villa where Southeast Asian charm meets modern luxury. This home blends natural textures, tropical greenery, and clean, refined lines. As you enter, warm wood, soft lighting, and handmade details set the tone. The living room is open and elevated. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite in the garden. A low-profile rattan sofa wraps around a marble table, combining comfort with elegance. Silk cushions and gold-accented lamps reflect the light in subtle, graceful ways. The dining area features a long wooden table with handcrafted chairs and bamboo lanterns above. Tropical plants spill over from corners, blurring the lines between indoors and out. In the master bedroom, calm meets craft. A carved teak headboard anchors the space. Neutral linens, warm lighting, and a view of palm trees make it feel like a retreat. Brass details, woven baskets, and light silk curtains add both texture and movement. Light bath features stone basins, soft gray walls, and a rainfall shower. Step outside and you're greeted by a lush courtyard and an emerald swimming pool. With the sound of water and wind in the trees. This villa is not just a place to live, it's a balance between stillness and style. A dialogue between nature and design, between tradition and the present moment.